For those of you guys that know, and for this channel, I teach you how you can have your own free laundromat, how to start a laundry pickup and delivery company, and pretty much how to make money just doing laundry in general, right? And one of the things that I always stress in this channel is that if you start a laundry delivery business, the one thing that you have to concentrate is the commercial side of it. Meaning when it comes to doing laundry, you can do residential where you go and do people's laundry like in apartment complexes or homes, or you can go to commercial where you go do laundry for things like hotels and little leagues. And the reason why I like the commercial a little better is because you can, instead of having 100 people paying you $50, you can have one person paying you $5,000. So it's one of those things where if you understand that people are willing to just pay you for doing laundry, and there's different types of people, you can make money going after a specific niche, going after a specific target audience, okay? So for me, my specialty, my secret sauce, my target niche, the ones that I like is the little league teams. Because if you go and you sponsor a team, it's super easy to do. You find your nearest, little league team, whether it's like, not even AAU, but they have like ours, we call it NYS and stuff, right? National Youth Sports, right? So it's one of those things where you go and you find a little league team, right? You cough up literally $1,000, $800, $500, whatever it takes. You sponsor them in any way you can. Whether you get them new shirts, new jackets, new sweaters, new whatever it is, new shoes, you just try to sponsor them in any way you can. And what happens is you can even get it to where whenever they're making their jerseys, they could put you as the name of the sponsor as the jersey. You can go and print out the jerseys yourself and have your name on the jersey. So it'll say number 8, you know what I'm saying? And it'll have the person's name. And then right next to it, it'll say your company, So it's one of those things where you can make money and get free advertising from the moms that see it. So the mom that takes her kid to the little league, she sees her kid playing against team, blah, blah, blah. And then now she's like, oh, I wonder what that company is. She looks you up, boom, now you just got a new interaction. Now you just got a potential customer. Now you just got a new lead. And it's one of those things where it'll benefit you, right? And I like to target this niche because at the end of the day, it's one of those things where if every person on the team goes and supports you, not only do you make money from the moms on the team, because like I said, it's like the team will pay you to do their laundry. And you can get multiple teams. The team will pay you to do their laundry. Nike can go supports every NBA team. You don't care. You can go support any team, that you want to. But the team will pay you to do the laundry. So meaning after the game, boom, they all sweat it out. They play football, they play basketball, whatever they did, they sweat it out. They got dirty, did whatever, baseball, whatever. They sweated and all their clothes. At the end of the day, they take their clothes and you wash it. And then it's ready before the next game, and they pay you for each game. And it happens for a season, however long it needs, for a whole year, whatever you need to do. But it's one of those things where, at the end of the day, you get to make money from the little leagues. You get to make money from hotels. Because you can go to a hotel and say, hey, I know you guys have linen that has to be washed. I know you guys have pillows. I know you guys have all these things that have to be washed all the time. So let me wash it for you. And the hotel will pay you. The hotel will pay you. You can go to salons and be like, hey, I know you have towels that you have to dry people's hair with every day of the week. So you know what I'm saying? So whenever you're done at the end of the day, let me come pick up those towels and wash it for you. And it's one of those things where once you get one hotel, 2 hotels, 3 hotels, once you get 1 little league, 2 little leagues, 3 little leagues, you start to get all these customers, you start to make money because you start to see that, wow, not only is it frequently that they're paying you, but they're going to pay you a lot. And you get to do, one person will pay you for a lot of laundry compared to a lot of people paying you for a little bit of laundry. And so like I said, commercial laundry is something that you want to look into. And for me, I found my specialty. Like I said, you could choose hotels, you could choose salons, you could choose, whatever you want to choose. Even high schools and stuff like that, you can do laundry for anybody that does clothes, right? I like to do little leagues because, like I said, little leagues for me, it's so easy because the moms are usually the ones doing laundry. So then whether they watch my YouTube videos like this and make money learning how to do laundry, or they go and, just buy my service because I have my own pickup and laundry jewelry company. So it's one of those things where I make money from them regardless, So like I say, if you want to get into the commercial laundry, find your niche and stick to it because it's so easy to do. You can get people to pay you monthly, weekly, even daily to do their laundry, okay? And like I said, it doesn't get any easier than that.